In today's video, I will demonstrate how to disable the app install optimization feature in the Google Play Store. This feature sends information about the apps you use to Google. If you prefer not to share this information, follow these steps. Open the Google Play Store app on your device. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Settings from the menu. Tap on General at the top of the settings page. Scroll down and find the option for App Install Optimization. Toggle the switch to the off position. By following these steps, you can disable the App Install Optimization feature and prevent Google from collecting information about the apps you use. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tutorials.